be making a video about my dad's truck because of that's it. And I'm going to show you, I'm talking on the phone with some mystery person I'm not talking about. I've talked about in almost every video. Yeah, this is me next to his truck. And this is me next to one of his tires. I'm like this much taller. Like that much. Well, you can't really see it if I do it that much, but no, 1 second. For the love of God. I'll just come over here. Slide, bitch. And, for the love of God, I still think that times 2. Yeah, I'm about like that to this tire. And, I'm just going to show you the bed of his truck. That's the back of his truck. The back. Whoop. Yeah, I'm putting it on YouTube while talking to Braden. Oh yeah, I told him your name. Dude, how many times have I said your name in the comments of your videos?
I don't know, like 100.
So what's the point? They know your name is Braden, and they know, your voice actually sounds like this now.
You know. Well, it didn't have to sound like that because my voice sounds different on camera.
Yeah, mine does too on Xbox. I sound like the most little squeaker ever.
Yes, so do I.
But on the video right now, you don't sound that much different. Really, you sound like right now on my through my phone and on the phone. You sound like you have a deeper voice. Oh yeah, he's been being Batman for the past like 4-something years. Like every Halloween, I'm not lying. Not lying. Every time Batman. Last year Batman. This year he's gonna be Batman. Year before last Batman. Year before that I remember him being Batman. Year before that I passed him, he was Batman. And I just queefed. Well, I'll be seeing you guys later.